Hi everyone, my Moksha family, my loving, adorable people. Can you see what is there in front of you? These are my very, very loving domino tiles. Dominoes tiles? They are very, very beautiful, very friendly, a very good friend of yours because they predict your future. They predict that what is all going on in your life. So these are my favorite. Can you see them? Very beautiful tiles. They are only 28 tiles in one box. They help you to predict, they help you to know yourself better and to help your clients as well. बहुत टैरो कर लिया आपने, न्यूमरोलॉजी भी कर लिया, वास्तु भी सीख लिया. Every good thing you've learned. So that's why I plan to bring this beautiful new modality of learning prediction, that is your dominoes tiles. They are very easy to learn. Again, the same process, how to cleanse, what is the history of these dominoes tiles, and how many spreads are there, single domino reading, double dominoes reading, then three dominoes readings. There are many beautiful things you will get to learn in this workshop. It is for the first time I think somebody is bringing about dominoes tiles reading. I hope so. I don't know if you've learned already or not, but yes, very new, not that new, very interesting, extremely powerful and very accurate reading. बहुत अच्छी reading है इन tiles की. अगर आज की बात करूँ, I'll talk to my Dominoes. Dominoes, please help me know that should my Moksha family go for this Dominoes reading, Dominoes workshop or not. Beautiful number. This is number 55. Oh my god, what a combination. I must tell you guys that you will earn after doing this workshop with me. Definitely new changes, new environment is coming in your life, new learnings are there. जब ये डोमिनो स्टाइल सिंगल रीडिंग आता है आपकी रीडिंग में, डेफिनेटली इट टेल्स यू दैट आपका कोई चेंज ऑफ प्लेस भी है. Change of place is coming, change of thought process is coming, new things you are adding in your life. You wanted to do something new, you wanted to go somewhere, where you have never been there. आप कोई नई जगह जाना चाहते हैं, नए लोगों से मिलना चाहते हैं, कोई नई एनर्जी चाहिए आपको. And this domino tile give me the message that if you attend this workshop, definitely it will bring beautiful changes in your life, as well as it will give you prosperity. Believe me, जब आप ये वर्कशॉप करोगे टाइल का मीनिंग आएगा, आप देखेंगे कि क्या मीनिंग है इस टाइल का. दिस इज अगेन अ मैसेज फ्रॉम डिवाइन. अमेजिंग, इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी वेरी पावरफुल, very accurate readings as we get in tarot. Tarot is again very close to my heart. So these dominoes tiles. So very soon I'll be bringing this workshop from coming 12th of May. Okay. और मे बी 16th ऑफ मे, डिपेंड्स ऑन द एंट्रीज दैट आप कब तक मुझे कहते हैं कि प्रिया मैम वी आर रेडी, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल इन दिस वर्कशॉप. दिस इज़ अ वेरी न्यू लर्निंग. आई वॉन्ट यू पीपल शुड डू. बहुत पुराना हो गया, समथिंग न्यू टू अडेप्ट. जल्दी से अपना बिजनेस को बढ़ाइए, ग्रोथ को वेलकम करिए, अपने विजन को, अपने फोकस को, अपने प्लेटफॉर्म को, सबको, हॉरिजन को अपने वाइडन करिए, थोड़ा सा और बड़ा करेंगे, बिकॉज दैट इज़ मी. I keep learning new things. So the same thing I want from you people. जल्दी से कुछ नया लेकर आओ अपनी लाइफ के अंदर, कुछ नया सा लर्न करो. I am bringing this for you. Okay? And the energy exchange की बात करें, though this workshop is for 6500, आपको ये डोमिनोज भी उस अमेजोन से ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. 600 या 700 के डोमिनोज आते हैं. 28 tiles are there. Okay? But those who will register before 10th of May, the energy exchange is only rupees 4500. Only rupees 4500. PDF दूंगी, सब दूंगी बाबू. You are there for me people. And certification workshop is there. Domino styles expert बनिए प्लीज़. स्टूडेंट्स, आपका करियर आपसे बहुत कुछ नया कुछ डिमांड करता है एवरी टाइम. एंड you should be ready to adapt every new possibility or every new learning. So here I am with Dominoes tiles reading. Love you all. God bless you.